Hello guys, welcome back to our GHL course, and as you guys know that we are covering the documentation section on inside the GHL level. But with that, today we are going to cover a very new and interesting topic, that is membership. Okay, as you guys know that in Go High Level provides us the full control over the leads and marketing side. But with that, they are going to they also provide us that how you can create sales. Okay, if we have any product, then how we can sell it. For example, if we are selling a course, a GHL course, basically, as you know that we're creating the videos. So similarly, if I post all these videos inside Go High Level, then how GHL can handle this thing and how everything is going to happen, because if this course is paid, then only those person can access this course who paid the fees. So GHL can do these things. It actually provides the access to only those leads or the students who actually paid the fees. Similarly, there are you can say groups, different groups we can create inside Go High Level, and different communities that can be created inside Go High Level. So only those people can access those communities or those groups who actually paying the fees. So today's video we are going to cover this thing, and I will create a full course and then how we can attach it with the Stripe system. So for that, let's move towards GHL screen. Okay, well guys, as you can see that we are inside Go High Level, and for that we have to move inside memberships. And inside memberships, you can see that here is the client portal. Client portal means the portal where users get together and they are combined on one platform. Okay, and furthermore, you can see that we can create a magic link for the customers to join. We can invite them to join us, like it is just like a WhatsApp group, okay, where we can add multiple peoples and we can assign them tasks or like that. So this membership folder is same as that group. Okay, so furthermore that this is why we are studying it, or why we are moving to this section. First of all, the main thing is that to first of all to collect all the customers on one page, and after that we can assign them a task. Okay, we can get a task from them. For example, like it is not only created for a business, or for a business to handle the customers, but it is also created to handle other businesses. Okay, so from here you can collectively collect all the businesses on one platform and you can assign them multiple tasks. Okay, and similarly, if I'm saying to you that you are studying a GHL course, then you guys can collectively combine on this platform as well for GHL course. Let me show you how you can do that. So inside the courses, I will already inside the dashboard, products, offers, everything is there. But here, if I jump into the course, so I will simply create on course. But before that, let me show you what are the already created products that I created previously for my students, and that actually include a GHL course, a full course inside Go High Level. Yes, let me show you if it is still there. Yes, you can see that here is a course with GHL Mastery. I will simply click on it, and here inside it you will see a lot of content, and inside the content or inside the folder there are a lot of videos and links. Okay, we are going to create that similarly that. Okay, okay, let's wait for it. Okay, well, yes, here you can see that week one, the videos of all week one, and then if we move down, there's week two, and then similarly week three. So how we can add this? Simply by clicking on add content, and here's known as add module, add sub module, add a lesson, add assignment, a lot of things. So add modules means a folder like this, and add sub modules means videos or links or assignments like this inside this main module. Okay, so here I can also add the offers on this GHL course or on this or you can say any type of business you want to run from the group. And the main thing is community groups. Community group means the people where they are get collected on one platform, and after that they will get added to this community so that they can access the GHL course. Okay, this is the main thing, and this thing will only happen if they pay us. Okay, so let us move. What is credentials, or what type of content inside the credentials? In furthermore video, we will also see that how we can create communities and how we can add our clients or customers inside the communities. Okay. So currently in this video, I'm just telling you that how you can create products and how you can upsell them. And now here you can see that some of the templates are here for credentials. Okay, where you guys can issue the certificate to your clients, or you can discharge them, you can manage your clients or leads or your students. Okay, so let's move inside settings and let's see what it is. Actually, there's a long time ago I worked on this type of websites, but for you guys I'm exploring them and trying to make them easy for you. Okay, so the main thing is that if you created your own app means your own group. First of all, you have to create a site details so that every guys can visit, and you can say that it is just like a funnel to impress the customers and to attract them. And then the domain setter. Domain setter means it will allows the customer to move inside your membership group or community group. Okay, email settings means every doc or important documents will share to your clients or leads automatically via email. And app settings means desktop or on mobile. Okay, so simple is this. Let's move back towards dashboard and let's see if anything else I need to tell you. This is simply a dashboard that will tell you that how many customer have been joined, how much revenue we have been generated, because each customer will join the community after they pay some revenue, and that revenue will get up here. How many customers have signed up, started and completed the course. So this is the whole thing about how we can create the courses and how we can that how you can add the customers. Okay, so let us create you can say community group, and we will move towards that in our further videos. Be with me. Thank you. Bye bye.